What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but we're back because we got the block back from the machine shop. I had them do new cam bearings. I believe they line honed it. They decked the block also, and a couple other things. And we also did the dingle ball hone on the cylinders. I'll throw up the video right here. All right, guys, so here is our dingle ball hone, or otherwise known as a flex hone. And basically what you do with this is you basically just break the glaze off of each cylinder, and it's just to help seat the rings. So here is what it looks like before, and then this is what they look like now. So basically what you would do, guys, is you take that on the drill, spray some WD-40 on there, and then I just use some oil just to put into the cylinder, and then take that and just go up and down in there, and about 6-8 times or however many times, and then you'll get your 45-degree crosshatch and you'll be good to go. So here's the block back from the machine shop. We got to clean it up. There's some dirt in there and stuff, but overall they did a pretty good job. New cam bearings, like I said. We were also able to save the crank. I was able to get it turned by a place local, and was able to get bearings for it. So crank is reusable. So then as far as the heads go, we got to talk about that a little bit because changed it up a little bit. So here's one of the cylinder heads that we got back from the machine shop. The other one's right there, still boxed up and everything. But nothing really changed a whole lot here. They just kind of looked it over. They said everything looks good. But I did have them go ahead and mill this 30 thousandths to bump up the compression a little bit. So that, and possibly going E85. Hopefully we should be able to get closer to 600 wheel horsepower. So what's next on the list is I need to find some pistons and some rods. I'm not sure exactly which ones I want to go with as far as right now. But I do have a bunch of gaskets and stuff ordered. I got to get a new camshaft, which still debating, might go back to the B3 camshaft just because it was just sounded so good, and it was for performance, it was just so good also. So yeah, other than that, camshaft, already said that, and then lifters and some other stuff here and there, and then should be hopefully getting close to putting it back in. All right, guys, so I just got in the mail the new pistons for the Corvette. These are from American Heritage Performance. This is also where I got my MSD intake manifold for the Corvette that they also ported for me. And just looking at this piston, it looks like it's pretty awesome. Let me show you. All right, so here's what the piston looks like. It's the standard size American Heritage Performance LS7. And then this basically comes as a kit. It comes with everything. It comes with the pistons, it comes with the rings and everything to put them all together. Also wrist pins. Here is the wrist pins. They all come obviously with the kit, and then there's instructions, some other stuff as well. I've also got a bunch of head gaskets and oil pan gasket, slave cylinder, and some other stuff as well for the Corvette. Now I'm just waiting on the connecting rods to come, which I'm super excited to show you guys. They're gonna be a big upgrade from what we had. Thank you so much for watching. I'm still waiting on the connecting rods to come. Figured I'd put this video out just to give you guys something, a little update, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.